In 2025, the world is transforming at an unprecedented pace. Artificial intelligence is reshaping jobs, electric vehicles are replacing fuel-powered cars, and technology is redefining everyday life. Yet above all these changes, one company is quietly rewriting the future of human civilization, not on Earth, but in space. That company is SpaceX. Founded by Elon Musk, SpaceX is no longer just a rocket manufacturer. It has become a powerful financial engine, a technological leader, and a long-term investment in humanity's survival. This is not simply a story about space travel. It is a story of money, risk, vision, failure, and extreme patience. Chapter 1. The Crazy Idea. In 2002, space exploration was dominated by governments. NASA launches were expensive, rockets were disposable, and private companies were not taken seriously. Elon Musk challenged this system. He believed space could be made affordable, reusable, and scalable, just like software. He invested nearly all his PayPal wealth into SpaceX, risking everything. The early years were filled with failure. 3 rocket launches failed, millions of dollars were lost, and SpaceX stood on the edge of collapse. Then came the 4th launch, and it succeeded. That single moment saved the company and sparked a revolution in space economics. Chapter 2. Financial Survival Mode. SpaceX's early financial years were brutal. There was no steady income, no guaranteed customers, and no investor confidence. In 2008, the global financial crisis hit. Tesla was struggling, SpaceX was nearly out of cash, and failure seemed inevitable. At the last possible moment, SpaceX secured a critical NASA contract. That contract did not make SpaceX profitable, but it kept the company alive. More importantly, it gave SpaceX credibility and a future. Chapter 3. Reusable rockets equals profit. Traditional rockets were built to be used once and destroyed forever, a financial disaster. SpaceX changed this model with Falcon 9, a rocket designed to land and fly again. Reusable rockets reduced launch costs by over 60%. As a result, satellite launches became cheaper. Governments saved billions. Commercial demand exploded. By 2025, SpaceX conducts more launches than the rest of the world combined. Every launch generates revenue, and every reused rocket increases profit margins. This is when SpaceX stopped being an experiment and became a true business. Chapter 5. Starlink, the real money machine. While rockets capture attention, Starlink generates cash. Starlink is a global satellite internet network. By 2025, it operates with over 6,000 satellites, serving millions of users worldwide, including rural regions, oceans, and conflict zones. Starlink operates on a subscription model: monthly payments, recurring revenue, high profit margins. Financial experts believe Starlink alone could be worth more than traditional telecom giants. For SpaceX, Starlink funds everything: rockets, Starship development, and Mars ambitions. As Elon Musk understands, cash flow fuels vision. Chapter 6. SpaceX Financial Philosophy. SpaceX does not operate like a traditional corporation. There's no obsession with short-term profits, no pressure from public shareholders, and no dividend mindset. Instead, profits are reinvested. Risk is encouraged, speed and innovation are prioritized. SpaceX spends billions before earning billions. This approach scares traditional investors, but creates long-term dominance. Elon Musk is not building a quarterly earnings company. He is building a century-scale empire. Chapter 7. Starship, the biggest bet. Starship is the most ambitious and expensive project in SpaceX's history. It has required billions of dollars, multiple failures, explosions, and delays, with no immediate revenue. Yet Starship is central to SpaceX's future. If successful, Starship enables massive cargo transport, ultra-low launch costs, and interplanetary travel. Success would allow SpaceX to control moon logistics, Mars supply chains, and space manufacturing. Starship is not just a rocket, it is future infrastructure. Chapter 8: 2025 Valuation and Power. By 2025, SpaceX is the most valuable private company in the world, surpassing many public aerospace giants. Elon Musk's personal wealth is now more closely tied to SpaceX than Tesla. Despite constant IPO rumors, Musk resists taking SpaceX public. Public markets demand short-term results. SpaceX demands long-term sacrifice. Remaining private allows SpaceX to take risks no public company can afford. Chapter 9: Competition and Dominance. SpaceX faces competition from Blue Origin, traditional aerospace firms, and government agencies, but none match its speed. While others plan, SpaceX tests.